In terms of what else we're tracking over the next few days, a cold next few days. Temperatures will be dropping throughout our Wednesday, leading to a very cold Thursday, and then more snow in the forecast later on as we move towards Friday and the weekend. Let's take a look at what we have in store for tonight. We're looking at, for most of us, an inch of snow or less, but still a very high chance you will see at least some snowfall. Might not be enough you have to shovel, but a lot of us will end up having to shovel, especially across central and northern Wisconsin. Up in the far north, we could see 1 to 2 inches of snowfall, and then eventually later this week, as winds shift to the north, maybe some lake effect activity. We want to bring up the model estimates here to show you the further north you will be, the higher chance of snow and the higher chance you'll have closer to an inch. The Wausau area and further south expecting less than half of an inch of snowfall. Those up in the Northwoods expecting a little bit more than half of an inch of snow. But overall, most of us looking at less than an inch, so not the heaviest snow system, still a small batch of snowfall. Let's take a look here at the clouds and radar view. Not much going on right now, mostly cloudy skies. Up in the Northwoods, we are seeing a few flurries already in parts of Ashland, Iron, and Price County. Off to the west and southwest, though, there's our small batch of snow. That'll be mainly moving in after midnight tonight. Let's track that out here on Future Track. You can see as we move through the evening, really not tracking any flakes and flurries, but once we hit midnight, you can see that snow is expected to move across the area, especially for those in the northern half. We move into the early morning hours of Wednesday, 4 o'clock. Still a little bit of snow left over, but things will mainly be clearing. So by the time you wake up early Wednesday morning, 6 or 7 a.m., we are looking at really no snow actively falling, but you'll likely have at least a light layer on the ground as you start your day. Maybe some slightly slippery roadways. Throughout the day on Wednesday, we'll see some sunshine start to peek out. So for those who only get a little bit of snow, we're talking about just that trace amount, it'll probably melt with the sunshine despite the colder temperatures on the way for Wednesday. Temperatures will be falling throughout the daytime hours, and that's going to be leading to a very cold night for Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Extended Future Track shows later this week here on Friday, we could see a small system of snowfall, maybe on Saturday as well, but still widely unsettled, not looking significant by any means. Let's take a look at the numbers today. Doesn't look like that high temperatures popping up. We will be sitting below average pretty consistently here for the next couple of days. Today's high temperatures in the 20s across the state. Our view outside right now, this is our Stevens Point camera, 22 degrees in the Point area, south-southwest winds of 8 miles per hour. Tonight we're down to 21 with a southwest wind of 10 to 15. Tomorrow's daytime high 23, though northwest winds up to 20 miles per hour. You can see that's going to lead to a very cold night early Thursday, waking up feeling like negative 15 to negative 20. The overnight low around negative 4. Pretty cold for Thursday, high of 11, 23 Friday with a small chance of snow.